Welcome to LunaProxy, the leading proxy service designed to revolutionize your digital advertising strategies. We empower businesses and individuals with secure, reliable solutions for critical tasks such as comprehensive ad verification, intelligent ad spend optimization, and robust zero-fraud operations. Our advanced technology ensures your online presence is both effective and protected, setting a new standard in the industry. With an expansive network of over 200 million global residential IPs, ethically sourced across more than 200 countries and regions, LunaProxy ensures your ads are seen exactly as intended by your target audience. This vast network allows for unparalleled precise ad verification, confirming every detail of your creatives, placements, and pricing on major platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and TikTok. You can be confident that your campaigns are performing optimally and reaching the right eyes. LunaProxy enables precise ad verification with access to over 200 million global residential IPs, ensuring your ads appear correctly worldwide without detection by anti-fraud systems. Our granular city-level targeting, available in over 200 locations, combined with an impressive success rate exceeding 99.5%, helps you bypass sophisticated anti-fraud systems and significantly save valuable resources. This level of detail and reliability is crucial for effective ad delivery and performance. Optimize your ad budgets with LunaProxy's intelligent IP rotation, fully customizable from 90 seconds to 30 minutes for sticky sessions. This crucial feature prevents account bans and captures, enabling large-scale A/B testing and precise geo-specific bidding strategies. Our clients consistently report up to 40% cost savings by maximizing their return on investment and distributing traffic efficiently across various IPs, ensuring every dollar spent works harder for you. Our zero-fraud capabilities provide real-time monitoring and advanced anti-bot evasion tools, ensuring only authentic interactions with your ads. All our IPs are clean, human-like residential proxies, and we offer 24/7 clean IP replacement if needed to maintain integrity. We guarantee full compliance with stringent privacy standards like GDPR, effectively bypassing advanced detection measures from ad networks to keep your operations secure and legitimate. LunaProxy offers unparalleled global coverage, supporting over 200 countries and regions with granular targeting down to the city level. Our diverse IP pools, including over 60% mobile IPs, ensure comprehensive geo-targeting for all your needs, from the USA with over 50 million IPs to extensive coverage in Europe and the Asia-Pacific region. This extensive reach and variety guarantee that you can target any audience, anywhere, with precision. Ready to revolutionize your ad strategies and elevate your digital advertising game? Visit lunaproxy.com today to sign up and experience the transformative power of secure ad verification, optimized ad spend, and robust zero-fraud protection. LunaProxy is your trusted partner in achieving unparalleled digital advertising success, providing the tools and reliability you need to thrive in a competitive landscape.